Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing work? What if we told you AI is replacing tedious manual tasks in high-paying industries? Today, we'll explore how automation is transforming the workforce and improving efficiency. AI automation involves using software to perform tasks independently. This technology is becoming essential for sectors like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. But how exactly does it work? Let's dive in. First, we'll look at the finance industry. Traditional roles, such as data analysis and reporting, are labor-intensive. AI can process large datasets quickly. It provides insights and predictions with high accuracy, reducing human error. Next, consider healthcare. Tasks like patient data management and diagnostics are crucial. AI can analyze medical histories, detect patterns, and even predict health issues. This allows doctors to focus on direct patient care while improving diagnosis speed and accuracy. Moving on to manufacturing, AI automates processes like assembly and quality assurance. Robots can work tirelessly on production lines. They increase productivity and reduce the chance of human error, leading to higher quality products. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine a finance company. Previously, analysts would spend hours sifting through data to create reports. With AI tools, this process takes minutes. Analysts are now free to use their expertise on strategic planning instead. This improves their job satisfaction and the company's profits. In summary, AI automation is reshaping high-paying industries. It saves time, enhances accuracy, and allows professionals to focus on strategic tasks. Embracing AI benefits both workers and companies alike. Ready to see how AI can transform your work? Explore AI solutions tailored for your industry. The future of work is automated. Join the revolution.
Are you ready to discover how AI is changing our world? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing businesses. AI automation streamlines processes, increases efficiency, and saves time. Let's explore how this technology is transforming work. First, understand what AI automation actually is. It involves using AI tools to perform tasks without human intervention. This can range from simple repetitive tasks to complex decision-making. Next, consider the benefits of AI automation. Businesses can improve accuracy and reduce errors. Tasks that took hours now require minutes. This allows employees to focus on more strategic work. Now, let's break down AI automation into practical steps. First, identify tasks suitable for automation. Look for repetitive, time-consuming activities. These tasks are prime candidates for AI intervention. Second, choose the right AI tools. Numerous platforms exist, from chatbots to data analytics. Select tools that align with your business needs. Third, implement the AI solution gradually. Start with a pilot project. Test and refine until fully operational. This approach minimizes disruption and builds confidence in the technology. Fourth, train your team. Ensure they understand how to use AI effectively. Offer resources and support to ease the transition. Finally, evaluate the results. Measure improvements in productivity and efficiency. Gather feedback to optimize processes over time. To illustrate, imagine a customer service department. Before AI, agents handled multiple inquiries daily. Implementing a chatbot allows the system to sort and answer common questions instantly. Agents can then focus on complex cases, elevating customer satisfaction. In summary, AI automation offers numerous advantages. It enhances efficiency, reduces errors, and frees up valuable employee time. Understanding and implementing AI can future-proof your business. Embrace AI automation today. Start identifying tasks to automate and explore innovative tools. Transform your workplace and thrive in the new age of work.